Okay guys, so installing the firmware here. This is not your typical Raspberry Pi installation, okay guys? I have to do everything from scratch, but it's all good. Now let's see if we get this thing up and running, guys. And we have Klipper running on the machine. This is I'm accessing remotely here on this link here. And we have all the temperatures already working, the graph. And these here are for the motion control, and we will have movement very soon, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next video.